Once upon a time, in a faraway village, there lived a troubled man named Sam. His mind was constantly filled with negative thoughts, bothering him day and night. Desperate for a solution, he sought help from a wise hermit named Sage. Sam shared his worries with Sage and asked for advice on how to stop these unwanted thoughts. Sage, with a gentle smile, said, "Sam, my dear friend, I have a solution for you. There is another wise monk living in a nearby hermitage. Go and observe his simple lifestyle. You might find the answer you seek." Eager to find peace, Sam went to the monk's humble abode. The monk warmly welcomed him and allowed Sam to stay with him for a while. As days passed, Sam observed the monk's daily routine, but he couldn't see anything extraordinary that could help him. One thing, however, puzzled Sam. Every night, the monk meticulously washed all the utensils, and then he would wash them again in the morning. Curiosity got the better of Sam, and he finally asked the monk about this ritual. The monk smiled and replied, "Ah, my friend, this is the answer to your troubles. Just like I clean the utensils to keep them free from dust and dirt, you must cleanse your mind at night and in the morning through meditation." Intrigued, Sam asked how this would help him. The monk explained, "Your mind is like those utensils, filled with countless thoughts. By meditating before sleep and after waking up, you purify your mind, just as I do with these utensils. With regular cleansing, your mind will gradually become calmer, and you'll lead a happier life." The monk's simple advice resonated with Sam. He realized that just like we take baths and wash our clothes daily, our minds need cleaning too. If we neglect to do so, our minds can become cluttered with negativity. Determined to try this, Sam started meditating before sleep, and after waking up, to his surprise, he noticed positive changes in his life. His sleep improved, and he felt more energetic and focused during the day. The burden of negative thoughts began to lift, and he experienced inner peace. Such a straightforward practice, meditation, had a profound impact on Sam's life. He learned that taking a few minutes each day to meditate could lead to a happier and more peaceful existence. In our fast-paced lives, where time is scarce, this simple activity can work wonders in calming our minds and reducing unwanted thoughts. So, if you ever feel overwhelmed by negativity, try meditating regularly, and you may discover the transformative power of a tranquil mind. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and stay blessed.